Instant Guru review. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my Instant Guru review demo and $5,397 bonus. Okay, so guys, this is a brand new product released by Dan Green, and if you do want to make money as an affiliate marketer promoting products from WarriorPlus, from JvZoo and from ClickBank, this is an amazing way because it's fully automated. It creates product review websites for you and it automates the content for you. Okay, so we will review it. I have a huge bonus to it as always, so let me share my screen. But before I do, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. So what Instant Guru does for you is it creates a fully ready, done for you website. Okay, so obviously this website will be useful if you're in marketing, but also you can automate some content to just make the site bigger because Google loves content. So the more posts and the more pages you have on your website, the better. Okay, so first of all, I just went to Fiverr and I checked how much people are charging to create a website from scratch. Okay, so I found this guy. I will create a responsive website or develop e-commerce website. This is $100 for the basic version, and he sold 42 gigs. As you can see, free orders in queue. Another one, I will create a website for your podcasts or videos. This guy sold 54 for €105, which is like $120. Another one, I will create a WordPress website, 318 sold, 11 orders in queue, and €137, which is like $150. So guys, this is how much you would have to pay to someone to create a website like this for you. Now, Instant Guru is essentially creating this website for you, and in a second I'm going to show you a demo and show you how easy it is to actually create a website for yourself. Okay, so the sales page will say Instant Guru, bank 100% easy, JvZoo Plus, WarriorPlus affiliate commissions 24/7, no need to do any boring manual work. Attention, generating commissions as an affiliate on JvZoo and WarriorPlus is really hard. So let the software do it for you. Web-based software creates fully automated, 100% done for you JvZoo plus WarriorPlus affiliate review sites that rank themselves in Google. Preloaded sites with regular new reviews for top converting JvZoo plus WarriorPlus products each week. Videos, bonuses, everything is done for you to bank commissions with no work. So this pretty much sums it up, but let's check out the rest of the sales page. So 3 simple steps. We have some proof right here. Dan Green, that's the guy behind this new product. So again, he explains everything, what is included, etc. So I'm going to show all of that in a second. We have testimonials. We have a demo right here, so I'm going to have the same demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel as always. Instant Guru, again, that's the name of this new product. And guys, that's essentially, he has some bonuses. You're gonna get my bonuses on top of whatever is mentioned right here on the sales page. Okay, so you can go through all of this in your own time. Let me show you the inside of the members area right now. Okay, guys, this is what you're gonna see once you will log in the first time. Okay, so what you're gonna have to do is just enter a site subdomain and then a site title, and that's all you have to do to create a website. Okay, so I actually already did it for my own website. So I just added a subdomain called Artflare and the site title is Artflare, and this is what I got. Okay, so obviously I created this in literally 5 seconds. You can edit all of this. Okay, so all of these banners, all of these graphics, all of this is editable. But the cool thing is that, as you can see, this website is already populated with articles. So again, if you do want to get traffic from Google, it will be hard with a brand new website because there's no content on it. Okay, so your first review, second review, third review will probably not rank really well because there are other websites, much bigger websites and websites already with content that you're competing with, and they will probably outcompete you. Now, what's cool about Instant Guru is that you're getting all of this already automated, and then you're going to be getting automated content weekly. So whatever you're going to add in terms of reviews is what you're adding, but plus you're going to get automated content every single week. So you wouldn't be able to add so much content even if you wanted to manually. Okay, so this is all automated. So guys, once you're gonna add all of this, this is what you'll see. Okay, so as you can see, I have some more options right here. We have the site overview for Artflare. I'm the admin, created 47 minutes ago. So as you can see, we have all of these latest posts already published. Okay, so this saves you a ton of time. And again, the more posts you have and the more pages you have on your website, the better for your whole website and for traffic. So as you can see, again, we have the posts right here. Obviously, we can create a post from scratch, or we can, you know, edit these. We can repost them if we want to. So let me just click on create a new post and show you how easy it is to create a new post. All we have to do is add a title, then add the description, then the content, and then click on save changes. Pretty straightforward, right? Then we have content spinning. So obviously Google loves content that is unique. So obviously probably a few hundred people, if not 1,000 people or more, will buy the same product, and not all of them will get the same articles. All of this is uniquely spinned, which means that your articles on your website will be unique. So you don't have to worry about you know, Google finding duplicate content, etc. Okay, so this is content spinning. Content sourcing. So this is where you can pull the content from to add automated content to your website. So as you can see, we have a couple of sources right here. Obviously, you can add as many as you want. Obviously, you can do this in any niche you want. So even if you want, you know, to go into the dog training in niche or golf niche, whatever, you can add a new source. And as you can see, this works with RSS, which means that if this content source adds a new article, it will be automatically spinned and added to your own website. So again, just automated content. Then we have reviews. Obviously, this is the product reviews that you're going to be making money with. Okay, so you can click on create a review, and again, all we have to do is add a title, video URL if you have a YouTube video, bonus URL, buy button URL, and then we have the body and the body for bonus. Okay, so pretty simple, pretty straightforward, actually much easier than dealing with an actual WordPress website. So again, everything is all in one place. So we just have to click right here where it says publish, and it will go live. Then we have ads and opt-ins. Obviously, if you want to create an advert or an opt-in form, you can. So this is a fully blown website. It's not like a Blogger or a WordPress.com site that you sort of can post, but you don't really have all of the options of having a squeeze page, having a bonus page. InstantGuru includes all of this. Okay, so we can just click right here, create an opt-in form, and as you can see, it can be an image link advert, JavaScript advert, opt-in form, page, or a predefined slot. So all of these options are available. Then we have pages. So obviously, let's click on new page. A part of posts, you can also create pages like a contact page, like a about us page, etc. You can create all of this. Then we have layouts. So I told you that obviously all of this that I showed you from my website is editable. So the background, the theme, the banner, the title, you know, you can upload your own logo, etc. So all of this is editable, and you can make this really so it looks like it's your own website. And then we have configuration. So obviously this will be the subdomain name, the site title, WarriorPlus affiliate ID, and JvZoo affiliate ID. And that's essentially it. That's all we have to set up, because once all of this is set up, all the content is automated. And again, this is how this website will look. And I created this in 5 seconds. So probably if I would take like 5 minutes, it would be looking even better. Okay, so guys, that's what you're getting. Obviously, all the video training on how to set all of this up and also how to make money with it using affiliate marketing is included. And right now, let's check out all of the upsells and the pricing. Okay, so as you can see, InstantGuru will be $19. This is the early bird price, so make sure to show up early once it's live to snatch it for just $19, and the price will be going up. OTO number 1 will be $67. OTO number 2 will be $27 per month. OTO number 3 will be $197. OTO number 4, $27. OTO number 5, $197. And OTO number 6, $497. Now, if you want to see exactly what these are, you can always check out my blog post, and this will include all of these upsells. So InstantGuru OTO number 1 is the pro version, so more advanced features. InstantGuru OTO number 2 is daily profits, which are essentially done for you, posts every single day. InstantGuru OTO number 3, that's a massive done for you package with done for you campaigns and much, much more. InstantGuru OTO number 4 is advanced training, so this is for advanced marketers. OTO number 5 for InstantGuru is agency license, which essentially allows you to use InstantGuru and create sites like this for your clients and charge hundreds of dollars. And then we have InstantGuru Audio number 6 white label license, which allows you to launch this whole product as your own, and you can launch it under your own account. So ClickBank, JvZoo WarriorPlus, wherever you want to launch it. Okay, so guys, let me show you all of the bonuses I have in store for you, because I have well over $5,000 in bonuses. And let me just tell you that InstantGuru goes live at 11 AM Eastern on July 23rd. Now, if you want to get all of these bonuses I'm about to mention, all you have to do is just pick it up from my link, and to pick it up from my link, just click on one of these blue links right here from my blog. Or if you're watching on YouTube, the first link in the description will take you to my blog, and the second link in the description will take you directly to the sales page, but only after 11 AM Eastern on July 23rd. So first of all, I'm going to give you free custom-made bonuses. These free custom-made bonuses are 3 different ways of generating traffic. So obviously, the more traffic you generate, the more money you'll make with your review site. You can also flip these websites. Okay, so that's why I'm including a bunch of flipping and arbitrage resources. So first of all, you're going to get Flipping Magic Pro, which is a software for flipping. Flip Me, my own course on flipping, best-selling. Flip Me Income Booster, Flip Me Reseller's License, Arbitrage Sugar Daddy, May 497 over and over again. Affiliate Rebirth, Tidal Wave Traffic, Urgent Arbitrage Cash, Easy Arbitrage Profits, Blaze, Tube Traffic Avalanche, a case study on free traffic, and a bunch of additional plugins and software products. What you're getting is Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, IASK, Pogbox, Sales Bar, Shortcode Call to Action, Responsive Slider, YouTube Video Gallery, Pinterest Portfolio, Post Grid, Post Widget, Courses Plugin, Client Extractor, Image Graph, Viral Speed, Action Simulator, Facebook Audience Builder, Instant Publisher, Pinbook, Social Tracker, Traffic Hoover, Facebook Traffic Engine, Facebook Photo Contest, Authority Traffic Masters, Facebook Live Reaction, Agent Press, PhaseZone, Vid Builder, Press Play, Image and Video Commenter, Social Auto Poster, Slick Pop, VidBot. Now guys, on top of all this, you're getting my mega bonus. My mega bonus just recently got bigger, and it is now 116 W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses and products, and this means that the total value of this bonus package is $5,397. This is a real world value. Okay, so if you would like to buy all of these separately, you would have to spend this much money, and some of these are not available for sale, like my custom made bonuses made especially for this promotion. Okay, so guys, right now, let's sum up this InstantGuru review. This is done for your site creation. Okay, so just one click and you're going to be creating an entire affiliate marketing authority sites from scratch, done for you, 100% original content. So obviously the content is pinned, so it will be unique for your own website. And this will be created daily, done for you monetization. So reviews of the top converting products from JvZoo and WarriorPlus each week, done for you search traffic. So obviously you're going to be ranking these in Google, and because your whole website will have huge authority because of all the content it has, you will be ranking really well. Become an instant internet marketing guru, 100% newbie friendly, no complicated setup like with a normal WordPress website, and a money back guarantee. Obviously there's no risk on your part. Now, what I don't like about InstantGuru, you do have to review products. Okay, so this will be a product review niche, probably making money online. So if you do want to make money online in some other way, this is probably not for you. But with that being said, making money online and reviewing products is how I'm making, you know, well over $10,000 per month as an affiliate marketer alone. So this stuff works. It works amazingly well, and there are new products every single day, again, on JvZoo, on WarriorPlus, and on ClickBank. So guys, for the last time, at 11 AM Eastern on July 23rd is when InstantGuru goes live. Make sure to pick it up from my link to get all of these bonuses. And let me just show you how to claim my InstantGuru bonus. Okay, so once you're going to pick it up, just click on your icon with your name in the top right corner, go to the purchase history, find InstantGuru, and you should see a button that says bonuses from March. So that's how you get it. You don't have to send me emails or receipts. It's all done for you automatically. I really like InstantGuru, especially comparing the price to what you would have to pay for a website on sites like Fiverr or Upwork or Freelancer. And the cool thing is that you can create these websites for yourself or for other people as well and just charge them money. So 2 thumbs up from me. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section. Please like this video and please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one. And I'll be seeing you in the next review video. Ciao.